the mini Levoit air purifier is the option. Boop, push this little button there. This comes out. You have the option to put essential oils on this little disc. Now, the device comes with multiple discs. It comes with, I believe, 3 total. Now, I don't want to tell you how long the filter lasts because depending upon how many pets you have in the house and pollens and pollutants and VOCs or volatile organic compounds that are in your house, it can cause the filter to degrade faster and more prematurely, or if you have a cleaner house, it could last longer. So I don't want to say, but on average, you're going to get months out of these filters, months and months out of these filters before you have to change them. All you have to do to take the filter out is take the top portion and bottom portion and twist, and this will come apart. Let me show you. Hard to do with one hand, but let me just twist. Yep, just like that. Ah, very, very simple. Twisted it and this pops out. You have the upper housing, and then inside you have a brand new, nice, clean filter. You have a 3-stage filter in these filters. On the most internal portion of it, you're gonna have an active carbon filter, which helps reduce smoke and odors in your house. And on the second layer, which is the second layer internal, is the main filter. And that's gonna block out, as what they say, 99.97% of all pollutants in your house, all airborne issues with pollens, dust, animal dander, VOCs, all of that. On the outside of your filter, you're gonna have your preliminary filter, which is gonna block out, large hairs and debris and lint and fur and fibers and things that are floating around your house. So you have a 3-stage filter in this, which is gonna get your air very clean. But very simple, buy a new one if you need it, pop it in there, take your top and just line it however you need to up. You can just push down on the counter and twist it, and you're good to go.